VS Code has a set of views, located in the main sidebar. The File Explorer view has different sections in it. We are going to look at Workspace Explorer, which is a standard VS Code Explorer, and the FGL Project Explorer, which is a part of Lycia VS Code extension. The Workspace Explorer shows the files and folders structure of your project. When you create a project and its files with Lycia VS Code extension installed, it will automatically create a files and folders tree in the Workspace Explorer, and also will generate FGL project and FGL target files. On any change to your project made using FGL Project Explorer, LVSCE will automatically update the project's file structure. From FGL Project Explorer, you can right-click your project and create new FGL projects, programs, and libraries. Also, from there you can add existing programs and libraries, import your programs into the project, and also build, rebuild, clean, and deploy your projects. Additionally, from that context menu you can create build configurations and switch between them. After you've created or imported a program, it will have a context menu of its own. It includes operations like create new files, add existing files and libraries, export program, rename it or remove, and clean, build, deploy, debug, and run operations. You also can select several programs and rebuild them altogether. In the next video we will show you the basics of working with your projects.